Have you ever traveled somewhere unfamiliar without a map? If you did, chances are you got lost, wasted some time, and wasn't able to finish your to-go list. The same happens in the classroom. Without a map or a lesson plan, a teacher gets lost in her discussion, wastes valuable opportunities, and fails to do everything in her to-do list. In this video, we will talk about what a lesson plan is and why it's important. This video is part of our lesson plan series. To learn more about lesson plans and how to make them, check out our playlist linked below. A lesson plan is essentially a teacher's roadmap for a particular lesson. It's an outline that guides the teacher through the instructional process, ensuring that learning objectives are met. Like any roadmap, a lesson plan is important because it helps the teacher in the following. 1. Organization. It provides a structured framework for the lesson, ensuring a logical flow of activities. It helps teachers manage time effectively and stay on track. 2. Clarity. It clarifies the learning objectives, specifying what students should know or be able to do by the end of the lesson. It outlines the teaching methods and strategies that will be used. And 3. Effectiveness. It helps teachers choose appropriate materials and resources. It facilitates assessment, allowing teachers to gauge student understanding. While the specific format may vary, most lesson plans have 5 parts. First, learning objectives. These are clear statements of what students are expected to learn. Second, materials and resources. This section lists all the necessary materials, such as textbooks, worksheets, and technology. Third, instructional procedures. This outlines the step-by-step activities of the lesson, including introduction or warm-up to engage students and activate prior knowledge, presentation to introduce and discuss new concepts, guided practice to provide opportunities for students to practice new skills, independent practice to allow students to apply their learning independently, and closure to summarize the lesson and reinforce key points. The fourth part of a lesson plan is the assessment. This describes how student learning will be measured, whether through observation, questioning, or formal assessments. And fifth, assignment. This section is the last part of the lesson plan. This shows how the lesson can be modified to meet the needs of diverse learners or to prepare them for the next discussion. To recap, a lesson plan is an outline that guides the teacher through the instructional process. It helps her deliver an organized, clear, and effective lesson. It has 5 main parts, namely lesson objectives, materials and resources, instructional procedures, assessment, and assignment.